foodie, so we're back, and what we're gonna do is get our filling, which is gonna get more in the refrigerator after, but it's already firmed up very, very nice. We're gonna get some filling on here, and I have my thin pastry spreader, and let's get our pastry, and it's okay if it comes out the side, it's perfectly fine, don't worry about it. It's perfectly fine to have some come out of the side. All right, and let's get some more on here. This side will go, and we're just gonna spread him out. Let's get a nice bunch of beautiful cream. This is our lower calorie cream. You could use pastry cream. You could use fat milk. I'm using fat-free milk to do this, and it's perfectly fine.
And lactose-free.
And lactose-free. So if you had, it all works, as you can see. Okay. So now there we go. We've got our topping on. Filling, the filling. And what we're gonna do is take our top piece of cake, right? And I'm just gonna go right on top of him, just like this. Push him down, just lightly push him. And then what we're gonna do is continue on and trim the top off, because what are we going to make? What are we going to make to put on the top of this? We are going to make a chocolate ganache, and I'll show you how to do that. It's really simple, and we're going to do that in just a moment. All right, so we've got this on here, and it looks pretty good. I think we'll just take a little off here. There we go. Okay, now what we're going to do is make a chocolate ganache. Now I have in this bowl, let's just move our cake out of the way. I have in this bowl a package of this 85% dark chocolate, okay? It's 85% cocoa, all right? And I have 2 tablespoons of butter. This has already started to melt because I had it on the warm little oven. And what we're going to do is we are going to melt it the rest of the way. So to do this, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about a minute and pull it out. So we'll let that go, and let's get the cake positioned. And when we come back, we'll add our extra pieces in and make our ganache. Pete out.